Hey, hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we are going to start NCERT Mathematics textbook of class 7 solutions. Today we will learn and solve NCERT Mathematics textbook of class 7. Try these questions and questions 1, 2, 3, 4 of exercise 13.1, chapter 13 and chapter name is Exponent and Powers of class 7 of NCERT Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrid.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. From today we are going to start class 7th NCERT Mathematics textbook chapter 13 and exercise 13.1. Try these questions and questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chapter name is Exponents and Power. And topics are exponents and powers, value of the exponents, exponential form and exponential notation. Let's solve some questions. Now solve question number 4. Question number 4 is identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. First bit is 4 cube or 3 to the power 4. First we have to find out the value of this exponential number 4 to the power 3. Here 4 is multiplied 3 times. 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, that is 64. And 3 to the power 4 is 3 multiplied 4 times. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 to the power 4 is 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 3 is 81. Between 64 and 81, 64 is smaller number and 81 is a greater number. So 81 is greater than 64, that is 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 4 is the greater number. Is greater number. Between 4 cube and 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4 is the greater number. Now solve question number second bit, 5 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 5. Between 5 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 5, which is the greater number? First we have to find out the 5 cube. Value of 5 cube will be 5 multiplied 3 times. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125. So 5 cube is 125. Now 3 to the power 5. Here 3 multiplied 5 times. 3 raised to the power 5. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 3 is 243. Between 125 and 243, 243 is greater than 125. So 305 is greater than 5 cube. 305 is greater. So 305 is the greater number. Between 5 cube and 3 to the power 5, 3 cube is 3 to the power 5 is the greater number. Now we solve question number third bit. Third bit is 2 to the power 8 or 8 square. Between 2 to the power 8 and 8 square, which is the greater number? First we have to find out the value of 2 to the power 8. Here 2 multiplied 8 times. 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 8 times. 2 to the 4 4 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 8 multiplied by 2 is 16 16 multiplied by 2 is 32 32 multiplied by 2 is 64 64 multiplied by 2 is 128 and 128 multiplied by 2 is 256. So 2 to the power 8 is 256. Value of 2 to the power 8 is 256. Now we have to find out the value of 8 square. 8 to the power 2. 8 raised to the power 2. Here 8 multiplied 2 times. 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. Between 256 and 64, 256 is greater number. 256 is greater than 64. So 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 square. So 2 to the power 8 is the greater number. Greater number. So between 2 to the power 8 and 8 square, 2 to the power 8 is the greater number. That is 256 is greater than 64. Now solve question number 4th bit. 100 square or 200, 2 to the power 100. 100 to the power 2 or 2 to the power 100. Which is the greater number? First we have to find the value of 100 square. That is 100 to the power 2. 100 to the power 2 is 100 multiplied 2 times. 100 multiplied by 100, that is 1 10,000. 100 square is 10,000. Now we have to find out 2 to the power 100. 2 to the power 100 is 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10 is 1024. 2 to the power 10. Yes. 1024 to the power 10. This is the bigger number than 100 square. 1024 to the power 10 is greater than 10,000. So 2 to the power 100 is greater than 100 square. So 2 to the power 100 2 to the power 100 is greater number. So between 100 square and 2 to the power 100, 2 to the power 100 is a greater number. Now we solve question number 5th bit. 2 to the power 10 or 10 square. Which is the greater number between 2 to the power 10 and 10 square? Which is the greater number? First we have to find out the value of 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10 is 2 multiplied 10 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, 16 multiplied by 2 is 32, 32 multiplied by 2 is 64, 64 multiplied by 2 is 128, 128 multiplied by 2 is 256, 256 multiplied by 2 is 512, and 512 multiplied by 2 is 1024. So 2 to the power 10 is 1024. Value of 2 to the power 10 is 1024. Now we have to find out 10 square. 10 square is 10 multiplied 2 times. 10 multiplied by 10, that is 100. Between 1024 and 100, then 1024 is greater than 100. That is 2 to the power 10 is greater than 10 square. So 2 to the power 10 is greater number. So between 2 to the power 10 and 10 square, 2 to the power 10 is the greater number. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.